This short tutorial shows how you can find library resources using our search bar. From the library's homepage, simply type in your search. Note that you can limit your search before beginning your search to a particular search type, such as books or videos only, articles only, course reserve materials held by the library, or books held by iShare libraries. You can request iShare books and have them sent to the ICC library for you. Once you have completed your search, the results screen appears. If you need to refine your search, you can use that using this pull-down menu next to the search bar at the top of the screen. Finally, on the results page, make sure that you sign in with your library credentials. This will ensure you full access to all library resources. Thank you for using the ICC library. Feel free to contact using the chat button on the bottom of your screen if you have any questions.